Hi everyone, welcome to Takeoff Group, a multidisciplinary platform for academic institutions, industries and research.
Today we are going to see workshop on QUADCOPTER using NASA LITE. What is QUADCOPTER? A quadcopter, also known as UAV, UAS or drone, is a multi-rotor helicopter that gets lifted and propelled by 4 rotors. Quadcopter are also known as rotorcraft as opposed to fixed wing aircraft because their lift is generated by a set of rotors. About NASA LITE. The DJI NASA LITE multi-rotor flight control system. It inherits the high reliability and stability of NASA M. The innovative of all-in-one design simplifies installation and saves space and weight. It contains inner damping controllers, 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer and barometer in its light and small main microcontroller. Can measure flying altitude and therefore can be used for autopilot and automatic control. Let us discuss about workshop objective. The purpose of this workshop is to help you make your own drones. You will be provided with the kit and our engineers will give you their knowledge to develop the projects from scratch. The majority of your time in the workshop will be spent on hands-on activity. What are the topics to be covered during workshop? Fixed and rotary wing air vehicles, fabrication of UAV frames, installation and wiring of electrical components, assembly and troubleshooting of avionic components, working of BLDC motors, electronic speed controllers and quadcopter embedded control board, multiple testing of aircraft performance. Duration of this workshop will be 2 consecutive days with this 6 sessions each day in a total of 12 hours, probably divided into theory, hands-on practical session. What you will gain by this workshop? In this NASA LITE design workshop, participants get an opportunity to design and fabricate and test the NASA LITE. Such method of application-oriented training ensures the participant understand the principle of aerodynamic, flight dynamics, aerostructures and avionics involved in NASA LITE design through its practical implementation.
Certification. All our certificates have a unique ID which can be verified in online for lifetime. Participation certificate, appreciation certificate for top performers, certification of coordinators, memento for department or college.
Pre-requirement. Candidates have to carry their own laptop with Wi-Fi and data connection. Management need to provide hardware and software lab for registered candidate and seminar hall with mic and projector facilities.
For any queries, contact 9030333433 or 08772261612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.